kandi ubwe ngo wari muri buto.
I saw the hand moving.
Je nabonye akaboko kanyeganyega k'umuntu k'umurambo wari twari tuzi ko wapfuye.
So why didn't you call me?
We wanted to handle.
Tugeze umumagara twashaka kubyikemurira.
Job is to protect the entire.
Akazi kanje no kurinda famille yanyu yose.
So you don't trust me.
Ntabwo nyizera. Ibyo ntabwo aribyo tugiye gutindamo.
You didn't call me.
Ntabwo ugeze umumagara. Ariko ubundi urakeka uri kuvugisha ndi.
No, I don't trust your ass.
Urabizi ntabwo nkwizera.
So what the fuck are we gonna do?
None dukora iki rero?
Look, I got it, all right? Calvin's here.
Calvin yaje.
You to go get Roy, and then he's gonna take you home.
Agiye kugutwara ujye kureba Roy nanjye ibindi mbyiteho.
Don't talk about this.
Kandi biro ntuze kugira umuntu bibwira.
Okay? The truck is right there. It's got a package in the trunk.
Iriya modoka harimo agapfunyika inyuma muri buto. Mugende mubyiteho.
Done.
Sawa. Harimo agapfunyika. Urebe. Barashe bica abakora mu bizibiti. Abakora mu bizibiti batwaye ya modoka bayipaki.
You got a problem.
Dufite ikibazo. Niki?
Well, your friend.
Inshuti yawe Kimi.
I think she's over at the hospital with Rain.
Ari kwa muganga yajyanye Rain. Bari babaza ikibuno.
Yeah, his body.
Body ari he.
I called you first.
Niwe mbaje guhamagara.
Can she keep them under control?
Ese Derinda.
Weak.
Body azi gushyira abakobwa izo ndaya ku murongo cyangwa tumusimbuza. Abashyira ku murongo ariko iyo Kimi. Kimi akeneye gushyirwa ku murongo. Kimakomeje